Hi, I'm Davide Ghilotti and I am Fastmarkets editor of Industrial Minerals in Europe, and today I'm going to be talking about the recent price developments in fine flake graphite. The market has gone through drastic changes in supply dynamics over the past couple of years, which have affected market prices. Historically, China was the largest producer and processor of the material, mining domestically, processing the flake into spherical graphite for use as anode material in lithium-ion batteries. The supply structure changed with the emergence of East Africa, especially Mozambique, as a new supplier to the market. As Mozambique increased its output, it transformed the supply structure and reversed previous trade flows, with East Africa now exporting fine flakes directly into China. The changes in supply and trade flows had an effect on market prices. Here, we look at the Fastmarkets assessment of flake graphite. The East African supply created a new side of competition that Chinese domestic sellers had to face, and concurred to reduce the market price for this material also on an FOB China basis. The backstory to this is that market demand has been gradually increasing with the expansion of the electric vehicle sector overall. At the same time, the increase in supply in a short space of time outpaced the growth in demand. This prompted a situation of large availability against insufficient demand growth to absorb it, leading to price reduction, as we can see in the second and third quarter of 2019. At the end of last year, Mozambique reduced its output to help stabilize the market. We saw this had a flattening effect, somehow tempering the fall of the minus 194 material price. Production stopped completely in March this year, following a nationwide lockdown imposed to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Producers had hoped this would tighten supply sufficiently to support prices, but instead, prices sank a further 20%, or by over $100 per ton by the end of July, with demand softening and producers in China and elsewhere having to follow. Now, we seem to be very much in the midst of a demand slowdown, which has also affected other commodity raw materials within the battery supply chain. Next on, we'll be looking at how the demand pattern evolves in the fourth quarter of the year.